Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to wheelie in a couple of simple steps. Don't trick yourself into thinking that it's like the hardest thing in the world, because I learned how to wheelie in less than a day, like just in a couple hours. And I know you've seen the videos all in the past of us actually like ripping wheelies, but I was just power wheeling, just full on. I never learned how to use the back brake in a wheelie. It took me a couple hours. I posted it on the YouTube if you want to go check that out in the shorts. This doesn't matter for any bike you're on, as long as it has a throttle and a back brake. Just go around. On my bike and on most other e-motos, e-bikes, anything like that, the back brake is on the left side. So you want to get used to that. A way that you can get used to the back brake more and to learn how to practice wheeling, mine is an eco motor now. You can put your feet down on the ground like this, pop it up, and once it gets too high, hit that back brake. Just like that. Pop it up, hit it, come straight back down. Pop it up, hit it, straight back down. Or what you can do along with that is just, if you can't get used to the back brake, pull it up, and just drag your feet. Once it gets too high, pull the brake and you're right back down on the ground. You don't have to go crazy. You don't have to throw it up in the air at 15 miles an hour. Keep it up. My wheels completely stop moving right now. And just do that. Do that for as long as you need until you can get comfortable with that back brake. And then I'll show you guys the next step. Alright guys, so one of the hardest parts, in my opinion, is being able to keep that front wheel up when you're going at balance point, and being able to bring it right back down, or like just bring it down a tad bit. The brakes are sensitive, so instead of going like this, which I usually do, you gotta just barely like feather it. So I'll do it again. Pop it up, slight brake, slight brake, slight brake, slight brake, just like that. And with knee knockers and all that stuff, let me know if you want to gosh, let me know if you guys want me to make a video on knee knockers. And you'll know when you're at balance point and when you need to hit it, because you'll go like this. You'll pop it up and you'll start to fall backwards. But guys, you don't be afraid to go further back. Just make sure you're covering this rear brake at all times. Covering the rear brake like this. I don't hold on to this brake, the front brake, because if you're holding on to that and you pull that when you're coming down, and not this one, you hit it and you'll do a stoppie and you'll flip over the bike. And trust me, I just did that. It really doesn't feel too good. And I landed actually good. I did a little roll from BJJ. But it's that simple. All you gotta do is just practice it a little bit. Practice just the movement of just walking with the bike with the wheel up and tapping it. Tapping the back brake. Just tap, tap, tap. The Talaria XXX, I've heard, is the easiest bike to wheelie because it's very skinny, and the battery laying up like this, how it's like that, is really easy to get balance point on. I'll show you what I mean. If you come over here and you look at it, the battery is angled like that, so I guess when it's up in the air, it's more in a flat line, which makes it easier to stand up on. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you like and subscribe. We just hit 700 subscribers. I believe we're at 709 at the time of posting this video. But not in sport mode. But if you like the content that we produce and you want more like it, or if you have any video suggestions, please leave a comment down below on what you want us to do, and we'll be happy to do it if you guys enjoy them. Anyways, you guys have a blessed day. Gosh! If you guys enjoy the videos, stay tuned for more stuff. Stay safe out there. And God bless America. God bless the United States. Woo! Woo! God bless America. I'm not even paying attention right now. Much love to you guys. Stay safe out there. And I'll see you later.